Traveling by train offers a unique opportunity to blend work and adventure. One practical strategy involves maximizing the use of noise-canceling headphones, creating a focused work environment despite the chatter of fellow passengers. Remote worker Sarah recalls how she sets specific goals each hour, breaking tasks into manageable chunks to keep herself accountable. Additionally, utilizing the train's scenic views for inspiration can ignite creativity, making breaks feel rewarding. Lastly, setting up a mini workstation with a portable laptop stand ensures ergonomic comfort during those long journeys.